You have to try this hash brown beef casserole. I make hash brown casserole a lot, but I just decided to turn it from a side dish to a main dish, and it was a hit here. So you will need 1 bag of frozen shredded hash browns, 1 stick of butter melted, 1 can of cream of chicken soup, 1 container of sour cream. You will also need 1 pound of ground beef. All right, so now I'm going to combine my melted butter, heavy whipping cream, should be sour cream, cream of chicken soup, and the cheese before adding the hamburger and the potatoes. All right, and then once I get this all mixed up, I'm going to be adding it to my 9x13 dish here. And I'll spread it out really good and then bake it on 350 for 45 minutes. All right, so when the timer went off, I went ahead and pulled it out and I added the French fried onions at the end there and then put it back in the oven for 5 more minutes. All right, you guys, like I said, this was our favorite meal of the week. It was so filling. I hope you have found some inspiration here to cook something delicious for your family this week.
Yes, you can. Kitchen Mama.